Hello there, Motorheads. Winter may be over, but the channel's certainly not going to stop doing videos. So, I want to give you some reasons to hit the subscribe button. Let me tell you what we got coming up. First off, sleds are going to continue. We're mid-project on Brad's Ultra. We're going to get that one done and wrapped up. When Brad's Ultra is done, I'm going to work on Dennis's ignition on his XLT and get that fixed. I'm going to have the Bullwhip project and the Indy 600 coming up. I want to get all that stuff done before the snow flies next winter. Maybe even some more sleds. We'll see. Maybe there'll be a collaboration with some other snowmobile channel YouTube hosts. We'll find out. We've been talking a little bit. In addition to the sleds, I work on cars and Jeeps all summer. And so we got some pretty good stuff going on there too. We're going to do a super budget YJ Dana 44 build out of the Grand Wagoneer axles that you saw us pull last fall. We're going to do gears in Detroit, and we're going to do the whole install. Get them in the Jeep, show you how cheap we can do that. And speaking of cheap, my daily driver Hemi Grand Cherokee, well, the shocks are just blowing out on that. So while I'm replacing them, I'm going to do the cheapest budget lift I could find and add a couple inches of height to that. We'll show you that on the channel. My tow rig is a Dodge with the Cummins, and the oil pan is got a leak. So I got to change that. I think it might make it to the channel. We'll see. We'll see how interesting that video is. If it's not interesting, I won't waste your time with it. And then my CJ7 needs a new roll cage. Well, it doesn't need a new roll cage. The old one's perfectly functional and well tested, I might add. But I want to do a more efficient design. I want to make it cleaner. And also, I'm switching up to some 39.5-inch tires for my 38s. Right now, it just fits under a 7-foot tall door. So I'm going to have to take a couple inches out of the cage when I redo it. Not much, just, 2 inches ought to be enough. So I've got all that coming up and more. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think of these projects. Let me know what you want to see first or what you're most interested in. Dennis and Lonnie will be back periodically. Greg will be coming over when we're doing the YJ stuff. Of course, Brad will be around. So the whole gang will be here. And so hopefully you'll stay tuned and don't just kind of drift away since snow season's over. Snow season's never really over at Nutter Speed Shop. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.